Let's learn English, phrasal verbs, idioms, slangs and connected speech.
Listen.
Phrasal verb, hack into. Invadir ou obter acesso não autorizado a um sistema, conseguir acesso ilegal a uma rede ou dispositivo, burlar a segurança de um sistema digital.
Someone hacked into my email without leaving any obvious traces. Criminals hacked into the bank system during the busy weekend safely. Hackers hacked into government databases using advanced malicious software yesterday successfully. Experts warned hackers could hack into private networks very easily today. Teenagers tried hacking into online games for unlimited virtual rewards yesterday. Nobody should hack into personal devices without legal authorization ever again. She accidentally hacked into another account using saved browser credentials yesterday. Investigators discovered criminals hacked into security cameras during midnight hours quietly. Unauthorized users hacked into confidential company files despite strong password protection.
Let's learn idioms.
He finally broke the ice during everyone's uncomfortable first meeting yesterday. She hit the nail on the head explaining everything perfectly today. They are under the weather after yesterday's exhausting hiking adventure together. My grandfather once let the cat out accidentally during dinner conversation. We burned the midnight oil preparing tomorrow's important presentation together carefully. The manager spilled the beans before announcing official company decisions publicly. Everything became a piece of cake after enough consistent daily practice. He costs an arm and a leg every vacation season abroad. You should bite the bullet despite today's uncomfortable, difficult circumstances ahead. Their friendship stood the test of time through countless life challenges. Never judge a book by its cover before understanding everything completely. She keeps everything close to the vest during stressful negotiations always. Let's learn American slangs. That movie was totally lit and everyone loved every exciting scene. Your new gaming setup looks sick with amazing colorful lighting effects. Stop being salty after losing another online match against experienced players. He's always flexing expensive watches around jealous classmates every single afternoon. That joke was cringe and nobody laughed during the family gathering. My cousin ghosted everyone after moving into another crowded neighborhood recently. Relax, bro, everything will work out better than expected very soon. She looks pretty chill despite today's stressful, unexpected office situation completely. This smartphone is dope with powerful features and impressive camera quality. Their vacation photos look fire across every social media platform lately. Don't throw shade because somebody achieved impressive professional success this year. Our neighbor seems sketchy after those strange nighttime activities recently discovered. Let's learn connected speech. What do you want to eat before leaving for school this morning together? I'm gonna call everybody after finishing today's important business meeting successfully. You gotta finish everything before the teacher checks every assignment tomorrow morning. Let me know whenever you're ready for another exciting camping adventure together, please. Could you help me move these heavy boxes before dinner starts tonight, please? Did ya remember bringing every important document before leaving home this morning carefully? What ya doing after finishing your homework and cleaning the entire garage today? I have to wake earlier because tomorrow's schedule looks extremely demanding already now. Shoulda listened carefully before making such an expensive purchasing decision yesterday afternoon. Coulda told everybody earlier about today's unexpected schedule changes before lunchtime arrived. Woulda stayed longer if the weather remained pleasant throughout entire evening yesterday. Out of respect, everybody removed their hats before entering the historic church together.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.